This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Launch number 1. Launch number 2. Launch number 3. Launch number 4. We are back home now, so let's take a look at the results. So you see, according to spec, this Polestar 2 single motor is supposed to do it in 7.4 seconds, but it did it in 8.4 seconds. That's 1 second slower. But this was winter tires, Continental Viking Contact 7. And yes, I guess this is what you have to expect, right? That when you have winter tires, you will have poor performance. Well, is it? Maybe the problem here is that we have front wheel drive and I was struggling to get enough grip so that the traction control was working hard. So 1 second slower than spec on winter tires, fairly okay. It wasn't that soaking wet, but it's going to show you in comparison. The Standard Range Plus, no, is this one made in, yeah, this is this one. You see that the Standard Range Plus Tesla Model 3 did it in 5.5 seconds during summer and was right on par with spec. But then in winter with Frigus tires, it was 0.6 seconds slower, and you see it was around half a second slower than spec, but not 1 second slower. So why was this? Well, the SR Plus is rear wheel drive, and I suspect maybe rear wheel drive is better for acceleration and grip versus front wheel drive. So, well, yeah, anyway, let's now take a look at noise. It came here, which is pretty on par with the Polestar 2, the bigger battery, but with different tires, Hakka R3, but they are pretty much neck on neck. You see the values here, yeah, they are more or less the same, so nothing to see there. So, yes, now you guys have seen it, Polestar 2, I call it poor man's Polestar 2, still performs well. Okay, it's not slow, I mean, it's still okay, accelerating and stuff, and yeah. So that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.